Dear students, good morning. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine and safe. Do you all remember, children, in our previous class what can we discussed about? Yes, we will discuss it about in our EVS new lesson, cleanliness. So, I hope you all are understand that lesson. So, in our previous class, we will discuss about we will learn about how to keep our body clean, and also we will learn about some healthy habits like every day we will get up in the early morning, brush our teeth before having breakfast and before going to bed, and after that we should take a bath every day with a soap and water, wipe ourselves dry with a clean towel, and every day we wear a fresh and clean clothes, comb our hair neatly and cover our mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing, and use a clean handkerchief to blow our nose. So in our previous class we will learn about these healthy habits. So I hope you all are understand this topic or a lesson. So today we will learn about in the next healthy habits. Okay. Yes. Can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes. See this. Keep your nails clean and cut them regularly. So regularly every day or weekly once time you take a weekly once or 2 times you take a nail cutter and cut your nails. So it's help us to keep your nails clean and neat. Next, can you hear this picture? Yes, see this. The boy is wash his hands. Wash your hands before and after eating and also after visiting toilet. So when you go for the dinner, when you go for the breakfast, when you go for the eating lunch, on that time you must wash your hands before and after eating, and also when you visiting for the toilet, after and before you must wash your hands. Okay, just keep in your mind in this point. Next, can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes, see this. So the boy is rinse his mouth. Rinse your mouth after every meal. So you go for the when you go for the eating a lunch, eating a dinner, eating a breakfast, and after you rinse your mouth every meal. Okay. So these are all some healthy habits. So today we will learn about some healthy habits, so that healthy habits help us to keep our body clean and neat. So first of all, every day in the morning we will get up in the early morning, brush our teeth before having breakfast, and in the night before going to bed. So it helps us to keep our teeth clean and neat. And after that we should take a bath every day with a soap and water. So it helps us to keep our body clean and neat. And after that wipe ourselves dry with a clean towel. So we take a clean towel and wipe ourselves dry. So it helps us to dry our hairs. Okay. And after that when you bath after, we wear a fresh and clean clothes. So every day we wear a fresh and clean clothes. It helps us to keep our body clean. So you wear a dirty clothes, it's not keep our body clean. Okay. And after that every day you comb your hair neatly, and you take a handkerchief or a pocket kerchief. So it helps us to cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing. And next, every day you should use a clean handkerchief. So that help us to the handkerchief. Clean handkerchief is help us to blow your nose. And next, weekly once or 2 times or regularly you take a nail cutter and cut your nails. So it help us to keep your nails clean and neat. So next, when you go for the eating dinner, lunch or a breakfast, and before you wash your hands. Next, when you go for the toilet, after or before you must wash your hands. Next, when you go for the lunch, dinner or breakfast, after you rinse your mouth. So these are all healthy habits and good habits. So it helps us to keep your body clean and neat. So every day you must follow these healthy habits. Okay. So next, given us some activities for your EVS book. So take and open your EVS book, page number 65. So let us see one by one. So first one, fill in the blanks. First one, we must dash our teeth every day before having breakfast. So we'll write about brush, okay, in this place. Next, we must take a dash every day with the soap and water. So you will write about bath. We must take a bath every day with the soap and water. Third one, we must comb our dash neatly. So we must comb our hair neatly. So we will write about hair. Next, we must use a dash handkerchief to blow our nose. So we must use a cover your mouth with a handkerchief to blow your nose. So we will write about cover your mouth with a, okay. Next, we must rinse our mouth after every meal. So we will write about meal. Next, fill in the missing letters to complete the words with the help of the pictures clues. Given us some pictures and complete the words with the help of these pictures, okay. So first one, which picture is this? Yes, can you guess it? Yes, so this is a soap. So we will write about missing letters, S-O-A-P, soap. Next, this one is comb, okay. So we will write about C-O-M-B, comb. Next, this one is toothbrush. So we will write about T-O-O-T-H. So next, so this is toothbrush. So we will write about T-O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H, toothbrush. So next one, what is this? Yes, this is a towel. So we will write about T-O-W-E-L, towel. Next, toothpaste. T-O-O-T-H-P-A-S-T-E, toothpaste. So you will write about these missing letters. So next one, match column A with column B. So given a column A and column B, so you will match these words. First one, cut. So cut your nails. So you will match this one, letter C. Next, wear. So wear our clothes, okay. We wear our clothes. So you will match this word, letter A. Next, rinse. Rinse our mouth. So you will match this word, our mouth. Next, blow. So blow our nose. So you will match this word, okay. So today we will discuss about cleanliness. So and learnt about some healthy habits. So every day you must follow these healthy habits, so that help us to keep our body clean and neat, okay. Thank you.